So I'm going to be using my favorite concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Honey to prime my eyelids. And then after that, I'm just going to use a little bit of setting powder to just set the concealer. So I want to give you guys a heads up about how my hair was looking crazy in this video. So basically before I got ready, I didn't glue the hair down. I just basically did the edges just to hold it down for the sake of me getting ready. But I did at the end of the video fix my hair, glued it down and all. So yeah, don't judge, okay, because my hair went from 0 to 100 real quick. Anyways, enjoy the video though. So right now I'm basically applying a very light orange shade, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my crease. And this is going to be my transition shade. But basically this first color that I'm going to be using is going to be what I'm going to use to build up the other colors. Now I'm just basically gonna just blend everything together, blend it all into my crease, and then I'm gonna be going in with the darker shade. Now I'm gonna be going in with the brown shade from my Juvia's palette, and I'm basically just gonna top this on my crease, and also gonna go I'm gonna apply this part in the corners of my crease and the outer corners, and then I'm just gonna keep blend till my hands fall off. Now I'm going to be going in with my Morphe palette. And I'm going to be using these dark shades, these 3 dark shades that I'm showing you guys right now. And I'm basically just going to be applying this to the outer part of my eyelids and the inner part as well, in order to create the halo effect that I'm going for. So now I'm going to be cutting a mini cut piece in the middle of my eyelids in order to get that halo effect. And then right after, I'm just going to be applying glitter and then blending as well.
For the record.
So now I'm going to be applying this pigment that I got, this pigment shade that I got from NYX, and then I'm going to be topping it up with glitter, and then straight into blending it out. And I'm going to just basically be applying, going back in with my darker shade. I think I'm going to be using a black shade, and I'm just going to basically create that halo effect that I'm looking for. But before I finish what I'm saying, I just want to let you guys know that all the products that I'm going to be using in this video are going to be listed in the description box, even if I'm not able to remember what item I was using. now I'm going to be going in with my Can't Stop Won't Start primer from NYX, one of my favorite primers. And then I'm going to be going in with my spray primer as well from NYX too. I'm just going to be spraying this all over my face. I like my face a little moist before I put foundation. So yeah, I'm going to be going in with my Born This Way foundation in the color Brúlee. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Now I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to be highlighting, and then I'm going to blend it all out and go right into contouring as well. So right now, basically what I'm doing is setting my face with my Loreal Mercier setting powder. I'm just going to be setting where I highlighted, and then I'm also going to be setting my contour as well. And then I'm going to jump right into using my blush. I'm not really sure where I did get it from, but I am going to list all the products that I did use in the description box like I mentioned earlier. Now I'm going to go in by lining my lips, and then I'm going to go in and highlight my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, and then I'm going to go straight into applying mascara and then right into my lashes. So basically this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you guys subscribe and don't forget to like this video. And I'll see you guys next time.